Hi everyone, I am S. Prakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My topic is the Workmen Compensation Act 1923. This topic is Industrial Law is a fourth unit. So, what is the Workmen Compensation Act 1923? There is no doubt that employees are an organization's pillars of success. Thus, it falls upon employees to ensure that their workforce receives proper financial compensation in case they meet with an unfortunate accident at the workplace. Now, to ensure proper performance of the faculties, several laws like 1984, Compensation Act and Federal Act 1985 were implemented. However, they were not engaged under financial compensation the workers in case they meet the harm while performing their duties. Thus, the Indian Parliament passed the Workmen's Compensation Act in 1923. The Workmen Compensation Act 1923, it is a definition and scopes, it is very important. So, what is a workman employee section 2.1? A workman means any persons other than the person whose employed is of the casual nature and who is employed otherwise than for the purpose of the employee's trade or business. The employed in any capacity, the specified in Schedule 2 of the Act, including the railway servants and factory workers and the worker in main constructions, plantations and transport services and etc. The Workmen Compensation Act 1923 aims to provide financial compensation to the employees in case they meet with an unfortunate accident while performing their duties. All employees working full time, part time, and temporarily or casually are liable to receive the financial protection under the law. It comes into effect in case these secure injuries, incapacity, and disfigurement or die while performing their duties. The frontline workers in the following industries are liable to the protection under the law: the non permanent employees of the railways who do not fall under the sub, the divisional, distracted, and administrative office, the employer section. It includes anybody of persons whether they incorporate or not, managing agents, the legal representatives of a discussed employer, the contractor who has engaged the worker through another party. Next is the wages. The any privileges or benefits capable of being estimated in money, but excluded the traveling allowance, value of any traveling concessions, the contributions to pension or provident fund, some paid to cover special expenses entailed by the nature of employment, the captions and crew, the members on an aircraft, the laborers employed abroad as per the schedule, the second of the Workmen Compensation Act 1923. The next, it labors employed abroad as per Schedule 2nd of the Workmen Compensation Act 1923. It is individuals working in construction sites, mines, docks, factories, and specific places as per the schedule of the above mentioned act. The drivers, mechanics, helpers, and any other person associated with working with vehicles. According to this act, any company or establishment operating in the sector the highlighted above and having more than 10 employees are liable to abide by its rules. The next is a coverage of receivable under the Workmen Compensation Act 1923. The type and extent financial coverage as well as its applicable terms and the conditions fully depend on the insurance company that is affiliated with the employer. Here are some basic things which all insurer covers: the badly or other injuries during an accident while on duty, the temporary disablement, the permanent disablement, death due to an accident at work, the injury, diseases, or death are resulting from the working conditions, and all legal or other expenses incurred by an employee in the above circumstance. So, um, the employee compensation is very well and very important to the all companies and all industries areas. Thank you.